Chase Freedom Flex Business Pricing explained what you get for your money. If your business wants a versatile cashback card with rotating categories, the Chase Freedom Flex Business Card is a strong contender. Most people get this wrong. They assume cashback cards are only for personal use, but the surprising truth is this card offers excellent rewards and flexibility for businesses of all sizes. The card earns 5% cash back on quarterly bonus categories like office supplies, shipping or dining, up to a spending cap, 5% on travel purchase through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% on dining in drugstores, and 1% on all other purchases. For example, a business that spends $0 annually, strategically using bonus categories, could earn thousands in cashback rewards, which can be redeemed for statement credits or travel through Chase. Additional benefits include employee cards at no extra cost, purchase protection, extended warranty coverage, and no annual fee. The rotating categories keep spending optimized, and the lack of fees makes it accessible for small businesses looking to maximize rewards without adding extra costs. In conclusion, the Chase Freedom Flex Business Card is ideal for businesses seeking flexible cashback rewards with minimal overhead. With rotating bonus categories, high cashback rates on travel and dining, and strong protections, it turns everyday business spending into valuable rewards that can directly impact your bottom line.